I'll show you how to create this virtual phone to download apps, engage on social media, and the entire setup process. Plus creating multiple phones, how to automate routines, and how to maximize the free version. Click the first link to open up GeeLark. Now I use GeeLark because there's a free version, you can earn minutes, and it's the cheapest cloud service provider I could find. The setup process is a little cumbersome, so stick with me here. I'll explain the whole thing step by step. I forgot to turn on my mouse, so I'm going to show you where to look by adding these red indicators so that you can easily follow along. First, select the sign up button on the upper right. Now we get to go ahead and download the GeeLark app. Now note, GeeLark is only available in the app version, so you do have to download it onto your computer. I've been using it for about a year. I think it's completely safe. I have had no issues with it, but you do have to download it to your computer in order to create a virtual phone. Awesome. So now once it's open, all you have to do is add your email, no credit cards required. Once you're in the interface, we want to actually create our first cloud phone. So go ahead and select this button that says new profile on the upper right. First, we want to go ahead and give our virtual phone a name. Next, we want to select the interface, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. These aren't real phones, right? It's not attached to a real phone number, although you can do that. I personally use a completely random phone number, but you want to go ahead and choose the interface that you're most comfortable with, since that's going to be the phone that's presented on your screen. So let's go ahead and select Android. The next 3 steps that are important are groups, tags, and remarks. These simply just allow you to keep your devices organized. So I'm using this device to warm up my Instagram account. I'm going to have it automatically scroll, like, and engage with people and show the algorithm that I'm active on that platform, right? So I go ahead and always add the purpose as what the group is. Then for tags, consider this a subcategory. So what am I hoping to achieve with this account? So I'm going to go ahead and put I'm warming up accounts because I want engagement. And then for the last one, this is just a description of how you would describe your phone. This is purely just for you, but this allows you to easily identify your phone and what its use is. Now, fantastic. So now we get to go ahead and create our proxy settings. Now, this can be a little confusing, so I went ahead and created this table for you to make it incredibly simple. These are things that I had to figure out when I was trying to do this for the first time. So first, we're going to go ahead and select our proxy type. Now, proxy types enable people to hide their IP address, bypass restrictions based on geography, or run multiple accounts without getting flagged because they'd all be coming from the same IP address. Now, personally, I just use my own IP address, so I'm going to go ahead and press no proxy. But in this table is a list of all the different proxy types you can choose. These are all third-party plugins. Some of these are paid for, and here are the reasons why people would use that specific tool over other ones. Now, for us, let's go ahead and keep ours as no proxy. Now here we want to scroll down and actually select our phone interface. We already said we're using Android. Here for the model, I'm just going to keep mine as the Android 15. Now a couple features that you definitely want to do to make your phone look the best and look the most official if you're screen recording, for instance. So one of these is whether you want the icon on top to be the indicator or the network sign. So we're going to go ahead and keep this. The next is the phone number. So you can automatically have a randomly generated phone number, or if you own a phone, you can go ahead and prompt it to say, this is my personal phone number. I'm going to go ahead and continue to use the random phone. The next one is brand and model. We can go ahead and keep these at random, or we can go ahead and select one of these brands here. And then for brand name, I always like to actually update this so that my phone shows up on these platforms with a specific title. So I'm just going to put phone number 1, and that way I can easily organize all my different phones. Now, the last part is, of course, we want to keep this in English, but there are different options available to you if you would like them. And most importantly, we want to create this phone and start using it. So let's go ahead and create it. Now, this granted us with a milestone. We just achieved the task, so GeeLark is automatically going to add minutes onto our phone. We can use up to 2 different phones in the free version, but there's a bunch of different versions that you can use. But let's go ahead and show you what this phone actually looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and press start to load the phone up. Awesome. Now what we want to do is go ahead and download all the apps that we want on the phone. But I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part here, but I'm going to open the Google Store and go ahead and download Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. And while I go through and do that, if you're finding value out of this video so far, go ahead and give us a like, even consider subscribing. I really struggled with how to do this initially, and I couldn't find any video online that really helped me out. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make that video. So if you're finding value out of this, it would go a long way and enable me to make more videos like this one. And you'll just get a notification when we release an awesome video on how to schedule a social media post, for instance. These are killer videos and I know they help you out, but those simple things like hitting the like button and subscribing dramatically help my business. So I appreciate you, and let's go ahead and keep on going. Now, before we go ahead and open up multiple phones and showing you all the different automations that are available, I want to show you what this actually looks like when you open one of the apps. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Instagram here, and then you can easily see you can engage with this like you're on a normal phone. So you can like it, you can go ahead and add a comment. We can go ahead and scroll down and engage with other posts on the platform. It works essentially exactly how we would actually be on the mobile app. Now, before we get into pricing and how to maximize the free version, I want to show you 3 simple things that will 100% help you out. The first one is applications. So you just saw we had to go ahead and download our phone and then download all the applications we wanted on our phone. Here in applications, any app that you download here will automatically be added to all your phones and any new phones you create in the future. The second one is automations. There's hundreds of these, but you can go ahead and set these up to automatically respond to comments, automatically respond to DMs. You can have it post videos. I personally use this one on a reoccurring basis that automatically goes through Instagram and scrolls and likes different posts. So then it shows that I'm more active on that platform and kind of tricks the algorithm. But these are simple things you can do to automate your workflow. The third thing that's most important is pricing and how to maximize what you can do with the free version or how to maximize your dollars across the platform. Again, this is something that I really needed that wasn't available, so I'm going to make it super simple for you. The free version, you can connect 2 different devices. Those devices every month restart with 30 minutes of total time, so 15 minutes per device or 30 minutes total, however you want to split it up. As you engage with the platform, you also unlock bonus minutes. For instance, we created a phone, we got 15 bonus minutes. You create an automation, you get bonus minutes. And then at the end of each month, your 30 minutes automatically gets added back to use on your 2 phones. So that's how you maximize the free version. Now, let's imagine you run out of time. For instance, I ran out of time when I really started to use multiple devices around like the 3 to 6 month mark of using the tool. You can go ahead and add money to your wallet. What I want to show you is how cheap this is. For instance, I went ahead and spent $14 and bought all my minutes for the whole year. So $14 buys you 2,000 minutes, which is over 30 hours of screen time on this phone. I found that that's the cheapest solution that I can personally find, but if there's cheaper alternatives, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Now, if you're simply just trying to automate social media posts and respond to comments, go watch this video on Metricool. It's a free post scheduler. It's our most popular video on the channel. And if you found value out of this unique video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Go watch that video on Metricool. Good luck in whatever you're building, and I'll see you in the next video.